Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm inside Toyota Corolla Touring Sport GR 2022 and I want to show you how easy it is to connect your iPhone to this multimedia system. So let me go to the multimedia system here. First of all, what you have to do is just go to the phone connectivity here and then go to your phone. Let me open it up and then go to the Bluetooth, guys. Where is the Bluetooth? Just open it up. Open it up one more time. Let me show you. You see now? Go to Bluetooth setting. Once you are in Bluetooth setting, you just search for the car. It should appear here. Here are all the cars that was connected already. But first of all, go here. It's not found. Press is not found. And now it find me. Dan's iPhone. You see it right there. And let me go back. Where was that Bluetooth? Okay. And you go Dan iPhone connectivity. Wait a second. It just prompt me. It should prompt me here. It's right here, car multimedia. You see it? And then it's ask you to pair. You just pair it. You just allow it. And then it's ask you here. You pair it. You press OK. Enable Apple CarPlay. Yes. Then it says connecting. And then you just wait a few seconds. Let me see also on the phone here. And boom, it's connected wirelessly, so you don't need any cable. And then you can leave your phone on the side and you can use this Apple CarPlay on your Toyota car if you have this multimedia system. This is the latest multimedia right now on the market from Toyota. Of course, it will come another one next year in 2023 on the new facelift Toyota Corolla. But until then, this is the latest one and it's really easy to use it. Now, if you want to go back to your multimedia system, because it's use all the screen, and this is a good thing, you have to go to Toyota here. You press Toyota and you're back in your settings. And if you want to access your navigation, you can access your navigation. If you want to access your settings, you can access it. But if you want to go, let me show you. I press it by mistake. Come on, come on. And if you want to go back to Android, or you press the phone here, or you press the Android up here, you have an icon there. But other than that, if you want to play and change different settings, you can do that. And you press here and you go directly to the Android. And here you have all the apps that you have installed on your car, WhatsApp, Spotify, wherever you have there. The music, the phone, and of course you have also the Google Map, so you can use this Google Map. You cannot zoom in and out. You have to do it manually from here, but keep in mind that you can still use that. And also, of course, you can use the map of the phone, and also you can use all those maps here. So this is very simple. This is the map of the phone that comes with iPhone, and yeah, it's the same story. Anyway, it's very simple. What I noticed is very responsive and I like it very much. I love that you have this opportunity to do that. So that was all. Now, if you want to disconnect it, you have to go to Toyota. You have to go to settings and then Bluetooth and device, and then go to Dan's iPhone and then forget. And then it's just disconnecting. So that was the video. If you still have questions, ask me down below. By the way, you can use also the voice commands. Before I close it, you press this 3 seconds.
Sorry, I couldn't go back.
Yeah. One more time. Navigate to Paris.
One more is 44 minutes long.
Navigate to Paris. Navigate to Paris.
Getting directions to Paris, France.
Yes, and right now you can see it's calculating for you and it's just going there. So super cool, super fast, super easy. And then just press go, and right now it's going. So that was the video, guys.
Starting route to Paris.
I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it useful.
Right, then turn right.
Yeah. Okay, guys, if you like it, please like, share, subscribe. I hope it's useful. If you have questions, ask me down below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.